Hey guys, so very good morning to all of you. Actually, it's Sunday today, so I thought that let's shoot a mini vlog. Actually, I'm sitting right now, so we have a small baby of a cat. She is so cute. She's sleeping right now. So guys, how are you doing? I hope that you all are doing well. Uh, Actually, the day before yesterday, I uploaded the video which was on the topic of conjunctions in English language. I hope that you watched that video. If you have not watched it, then please watch it, because uh, the tips which I provide on my YouTube channel, I share those things with you because I have used those techniques or tips in my journey of learning English language, or I still use it. Sometime in my videos I share with you that you should have at least one dictionary in your in your mobile phone. So why I say that? Because that habit helps you to increase your vocabulary, that is to learn new words every day. So when it becomes your habit, that habit really helps you, because when we want to speak in any language now, we should have words in our mind, in our brain, because unless and until we have words in our memory, we cannot speak in English. So I hope that you have watched that video. See, I am trying to upload videos on those topics, or trying to shoot videos on those topics, which can help you to improve your fluency in English language. But I am also trying to make videos on grammar of English language. Practice of English language is important when you want to speak in English language, or any language. In any language, if you want to speak, you have to try to speak in that language. And unless you make mistakes while speaking, no one can rectify you, no? If you want to rectify yourself, then you should try to speak in that language. And that's why try to make mistakes while speaking in English, because in your journey of learning English language, this habit is going to help you to improve your fluency, that if you practice every day. I know that to practice every day, we say that thing, but it's not easy. For that thing also, we need to take care of other things. That is, if we want to practice in English, then we should have words in our memory, and that's why we need to learn new words. So every step is important in English language. So conjunctions are really essential, because conjunctions help us to connect words, sentences. So I think this thing I skipped in my journey of learning English language. I also used to think like, if my grammar is good, then why am I not able to speak? So this is the thing, that I did not focus on conjunctions. So when I started to focus on conjunctions, I started to connect sentences. So it became my habit. So I hope that my videos are helping you. Please guys, if you have any question in your mind, if you're learning English language, then please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you out. And let me know if you want me to make video on any topic while learning English language. So guys, let's meet in next video. Until then, bye bye.